What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? There ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this blonde Betty Boo. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And today, girl, we done went way out of our comfort zone, but I like it. I'm looking at myself right now and I really like this. Straight out of the package, no toning, no extra coloring. Like, I just like it. Like, I don't know, like anytime I do anything blonde, I think of Carlene. You know anything about Carlene, Jamaican dancer? Wanna know what them is something that no nothing about them something that nobody even try. So today's hair is by Sterly. That's what it looks like. And they sent me a 24-inch, 250% density, 613, of course. It was straight. It was completely straight, but as you can tell, she curls really beautifully. I'm surprised at the curl. I love how this came out today. I'm having a good hair day, even though it's blonde like this. It's just stunning. Like, it's so pretty. It is so pretty, so shiny. It is silky smooth. I mean, they bleached it to perfection. Now, the only thing that I would do for myself, I don't even know if I would though, is tone it, because I kind of like how this looks. Like, looking on camera, it looks a little washed out, but looking here in my mirror, like, I like it, like a little lioness. Like, it's just really pretty. And y'all know I hardly ever do blonde hair or any color for that matter, so this was quite a treat. It did fit ear to ear really nicely after cutting the lace. I still decided to do a little bit of baby hairs, even though there is a debate on whether blonde hair needs to have baby hairs or not. I still just did a little bit just to hide that lace. The lace actually melts into the skin. Okay, the lace in itself, it looks chalky at first, but once it literally, because that's lace right there, and it looks like my skin. I'm gonna give you a close up on the unit, but I don't want to put my fingers through this because I have it sprayed down and everything with my holding spray, but it's really nice. Like, it's silky smooth, it curls easily, and y'all know this particular type of hair can be dyed a million colors. Okay, every color under the rainbow you think of it can be dyed, but I'm not going to be doing that. Don't look for too much of a crazy hairstyles when it comes to me. I'm gonna stay in the natural zones. Okay, that's blondes, reds, browns, and black. All the information for this unit will pop up on the side right here, all the specs on it. The links will also be down in the description box. Y'all already know, if it ain't good hair, it will not make it to the channel, okay? And this is just truly a beauty. So without further ado, let's just get right on in to the styling of the video.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I'ma wake up, go dumb. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'ma put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. You do you, I do me. I'ma take this overseas. I'ma do this for my seeds. Wipe your hair and bling bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy.
Slap me, I leave my stain. Bad little bitty keep brain, storm my wrist on rain. Ran up out the bank like it's a robbery. Take care of my mommy, I know she proud of me. Yeah, I want hands by the case slow. Get the millions and lay low. Take mine, what I'm gon' wait for. Put my bros on the payroll. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Anything I do it. Ain't nothing to it, just do it. Checks cause I influence. Bank on flow, yeah, fluids. I go dumb, go stupid. Bought a whole house, still roofless. Why you talking bad about me? New coupe, yeah, like a two-fist. Yeah, if you said that, shoot his air out. Talking on my back, try to tear me down. I just want M's, yeah, millions. Used to try and move at your granny house. Now I'm wearing brands that I can't pronounce. Money on the floor, try to make it bounce. Money in the safe, it's the safest route. Promise to my kids, I'ma make it out. I want M's by the case slow. Get the millions and lay low. Take mine, what I'm gon' wait for. Put my bros on the payroll. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business. Count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been straight.
So as you can tell, it was super easy to do. Even though I used the bendy rollers, it did help me a lot because like the back and stuff I didn't touch because the curl is nice, but the front needed a little bit of shaping. So I went back in with my curling iron to sort that out, and my flat iron when I decided how I wanted to do the part. I thought I did a pretty good job at curling and styling. I love this little swoop right here. It's like, it's just perfect. And this little swoop over here is just perfect away from the face. Like it's just giving blonde bombshell. is just really pretty. I don't have anything bad to say about this. I really don't. Yeah, it's really pretty. I'm having a good hair and makeup day, as you can tell. Listen, make sure you check out Sterly Hair. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. And I truly appreciate the love that you guys are showing me on the vlogs, because I am truly enjoying this new avenue that I'm on. I am way out of my comfort zone, but listen, sometimes you have to get uncomfortable to be comfortable, if that makes any sense. Okay, how does the saying go? Anyways, follow me on all of my social media platforms. I know many of you guys really want to see the makeup tutorials. I'm doing them in short form. They are on TikTok and IG. I think I'm just gonna start posting them to my shorts on here as well. I feel like I have shared everything that I possibly can when it comes to makeup, other than doing new reviews. Like every day a new product is coming out. Like right now when it comes to the makeup game, the only thing that I could probably share with you guys is new products. Like check this out, check that out, check this out. You know, I'm not gonna say I don't want to do that, but I don't want to do that full time. Like there's just so much more to me that I want to share with you guys. There's so much more that you haven't seen. I'm so much more than just a beauty channel, and I don't want to put myself in a box any longer. And I've always wanted to vlog, and I wanted to share my life here. So I just really appreciate the love that you guys are showing me on the vlog. So make sure you check out Sunday's vlog. Make sure you check out Sterly Hair. Let me get back on topic. I just love you guys, okay? And take care of yourselves, and until the next video, I will see you guys really, really soon. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.